enjoyed the Christmas party. This is just one of the Christmas parties, and we will have many more years together in Jesus' name. At marami dito nakasama ko nung baby pa sila. I also want to dedicate this day to Charles and to Robert. I will let you know na I carry you in my heart. I cannot do this alone. And so I will try as much as possible to really put the spotlight on these angels because they really need it so much. And together we could truly make a difference. So much. And together we could truly make a difference.